Hi everyone, welcome to my very first video of 2021. Today I'm going to show you guys how I package my handmade charms and keychains. Now packaging is something that is always changing and evolving for me. So who knows, this video may be irrelevant in a few months. Anyway, this year my goal is to start transitioning into using packaging supplies that are more eco-friendly. Now, by all means, my process is not perfect and 100% eco-friendly, but I think it's a good start so far. So everything I'm showing you today is either reusable, recyclable, or biodegradable. Of course, everything will be linked down below for your convenience. Today I will be packaging these two charms that I recently made and listed on my shop. Here I have the display cards made and printed on cardstock. I made them using canva.com. The sizing is going to depend on the cello bag you will be packaging in. I'm using a 3x5 inch bag, so my card dimension is going to be 2.75 inch by 6 inch. After cutting them out, I'm going to create a score line at 1.25 inch mark from the edge and fold it over. Next, I'm going to use this design origami paper I got from Daiso to add a little accent of color and cuteness. Then I'm going to punch a couple holes so I can hang the charm from there using a wax cord to secure it. The silo bags I'm using are made of oriented polypropylene or OPP, which is considered biodegradable. I like to include care instructions as well so the customers know that handmade items need some TLC. Now, let's pretend I got an order so I can show you how I package them for shipping. Let's start with this box. The box I'm using I got from AliExpress. It's a kind you have to fold it yourself, which is great because this saves on storage space. You just make it when you need it. Next, I'm going to line the box with this amazing custom printed tissue paper from No Issue. My logo is printed all over it and I just love it. No Issue specializes in custom packaging that is eco-friendly, so it's definitely a great one-stop shop for that. Here's some shredded paper to add more cushioning to the package. Great alternative to packing peanuts. Now I like to add a little thank you packet in this glassine paper bag. I include my business card, a handwritten note, and a little freebie. And a final seal with this cute thank you sticker I got from Amazon. You can actually get cheaper ones on AliExpress. And here's a recyclable bubble mailer I use to ship my products. It's from Eco Enclose, which is another website that specializes in eco-friendly shipping supplies. These particular mailers have 2 adhesive strips on them, so it can be reused. So if you order from me, don't throw it away. Please save it and reuse it. And there you have it. I gotta say, there's nothing more satisfying than packaging your sold items. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I package and ship my handmade items. Of course, this may not be the best way or the most practical way, depending on how big your business is. But I think it'll be great for smaller businesses or businesses that are just starting out. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, or if it inspired you with some more great ideas, please leave me a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one and make sure the notification bell is on so you know when I upload. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!